Patuikatea matorume, matohore gina tokurume, tohete bekuigo marurume, wakinyane banatotuyete, libokomate karamatiyete.
There are stories that needs to be told. There are stories that you don't find them, they find you. There are stories that to be an instrument in the telling of it is incredibly special. This is one of those stories.
Tegera mweka wakwa ni negera guko ni kwani guthacera federa KIAMBAA MUGGA na kurumira na uturumira guko ni kukuria waigwira makiuga meto mwega tutitoragia twateira makinya toni no makinya joki na mane tutoragia na guko wakinya wiro na makinya gona gutuka tutitoragia tena kimana gitia thaka magathe gwakana wana tutitoragia matonyo mabage magotona jage tima gutuma jage toro tuko majage majage marima majage majugo majage nagie todo satine mangere madani mabere wira ne hadere goiteka tene uterefane magutirifa.
Yeah, there we go.
You can lay this without me, boy.
We just did it. Huh? Just did it, man. Yeah, there you go. I know katengeneza set.
I've always loved theatre. Ever since Ngatia's losing grip some years back, it inspired me in some type of way. So once in a while, I find myself there. I think as an actor, theatre shapes and molds you better than film. The aspect of no retakes once the curtains are raised kind of portrays life itself, which calls for discipline and preparation in arrangements. Again, what life should be about.
Leo niko lucky nimepata white. Wallahi. Leo iko kwa wingi. Kwa sure? Sitaki kuwa mzungu. Sitaki kuwa mzungu. Oh ile ya ndevu nini. Nice.
Deta maniata jao ya boy boko ne guitoy guita maniata jao ya boy boko ne guoy Deta maniata jao ya boy boko ne guitoy guita maniata jao ya boy.
That's good.
So you're not a vegetarian. Ama you're a vegetarian, that's why. Na leo umetengenezwa smart.
Ile inakaa different, not like yesterday.
For the characters to build up.
I will check.
Guy. Hey.
The paint ili konki yenye Ruth ameleta leo.
I've made friends. For real, I have. Humans are social creatures. Even introverts like me needs that too.
I'm vlogging, so you can say. No, I'm just saying.
I'm not.
I know you well enough kujua.
Naweza ropokwa.
After funding na issue.
It's a huge honor being part of this production, telling these stories that are so rich.
We left chat but not
Mariama Kare kate Kayari kate Kari kate Kuma dega di kuma gaita de kuma gaita ke mangaiba Eluo gari